Ganyan. So for today is I have a new product here that I'm gonna use for today. And this is the, I don't know, like, you can see it guys, it's very good. It's like this guys. Yeah. It is all controlling powder, and it has a free sponge here. Yeah, and it's very cute. Smells so good. So let's do our makeup. By the way guys, I curl my hair in this, I bond this and this. So let's go. First is we're gonna put some hair clip like that para di maano ang ating buhok. And this one, I'm gonna use this blue. First is we're gonna do some, we're gonna put some moisturizer. Oh my god, sawa. We're gonna do an ASMR for today's. It's very hot, very hot. So let's blend it like this. And let's try it using this cute basta cute na paypay na pamaypay. So guys, it's already done, dry. So let's put some sunscreen here. Yung palagi ko ginagamit, pinapakita ko to sa inyo palagi. Here then. Okay. And we're going to blend it. Di ba? Ganda. Yeah, baby. Nothing. And dry it. Sumakay ako sa jeepney. So, I'm done with applying some sunscreen, and let's move to the product. So let's move at this. So let's apply. Oh my god. Nasira. I'm going to fix it first. Ganito ako mag-curl, guys. Ginaganon ko lang siya. And flip it like that. Ganyan. And ito yung natitirang buhok. Pasok mo siya dito. And then, igaganon mo siya. Like that. And kanon mo para malak. Wait guys, inayos ko na siya. And clip na natin siya ulit para hindi magkaroon. And this is, diba, wala ng oil. So let's put some blush. Here's our blush, guys, and I'm going to use this brush. May salamin din dito, guys. Yan. Yan, may salamin siya. Naka-blush na ako. Next step is we're gonna put some mascara. Pero wala akong mascara. Kaya ito na lang gagamitin ko. Pwede naman ito ilalagay. Pwede naman ito ilagay sa sa mata. Like sa pilik mata. Hindi pala sa mata. Ilagay natin. Wait. I'm gonna use this. Ilagay na natin ang ating eyebrows. By the way, sa mga natatanong kung anong nangyari dito. Kasi nung bata pa ako, nahulog ako sa doon. Tapos natamaan ko dito. Kaya, kinahi siya, be. Kaya, And next but not the least is we're gonna put some lip balm. Where's my lip balm? Where did I put it? Here. This is my lip balm, guys. It is new. This is aloe vera 99% lip balm, aloe vera, vitamin E. Let's put it, guys, kasi namumutla ng aking lips. Ganyan siya. By the way, naputol to. Malaki to kasi naputol. Naputol ko. Nice coverage. So, it is the time. So, intayin lang natin to mga ilang minutes para mag-curl. And, tatanggalin ko siya. It's been a minute, so let's... Oh my god. So, let's take it off. Take it off. Oh my god. It's forever curly. And the other side. And this one is the other side too. And this one is the side. The copy. And let's put some little bit gel on it. This is the gel. Hindi siya nakulo kasi basa pa nga. So, let's try it. So, this is my face. Let's curl it again. Dami naman netter. So, dalawahin ko na lang siya. Yan. So, shake it off. Shake it off. Very, very hot. Nakar na din yung isa. Let's wait for a while of this one. Yeah. So this is the one. And this is the two. It's very curly. So yeah. So baby, won't you? So let's take it off. Take it off. waving for Nihon. Okay. Ayan. So let's scroll it again and again and again kasi hindi siya nag-cover. Yan. Tapos maybe ito is i-cover na lang din natin siya ulit para medyo ma-curl siya, pero para medyo ma-curl pa siya. Curl pa natin siya ulit again and again. Hala, ulit na tayo okay, let's put it again. Magwe-wait pa tayo. Pangit ng lips ko. Samka na. Don't have any tissue. Magwe-wait muna tayo. Sakit lang pa ako. Ouch. Ouch. Sakit. Ouch. Ouch. Baby. I want you guys to come back when you want your balance. By the way guys, meron kaming meron akong pinapractice na kanta. Ano lang to kasi inintay ko pa kasi to mag-curl itong dalawang to. Ouch! Sakit. Okay, ito yung Leonora. Itong alay kong alam para sa dalag wala kasing ganda para sa halip kuya kung nangaisin na. Sobrang sakit ng paa ko. Yung parang nag-glitch siya. Nag-glitch. Yung parang nag-ground yung paa mo. Ang sakit. Ang cute ko pala. I want you girl. Look at my teeth. So let's tanggal it na. Tanggal it. Ito na guys. And medyo nag-curl na siya. Medyo lang. Then ito naman is yung isa. Wow, very nag-curl talaga siya. Di lang pantay na. So ito medyo curly talaga siya. And mayroon din ako yung bali dito. Tapos tatanggalin ko to. Aray ko. need ko ng hairpin. So, nakahanap na ako ng hairpin. Wait. Ito, hairpin. Ganyan na natin siya. Ganyan. Tapos, dito din sa kabila. Ganyan natin siya. And, ayusin lang natin. Ano ba to? Bakit siya na? Sumama ka na lang. Wag pala to. Ito na lang. Inisin ko lang yan siya. This is my final look. Basic part ko to dito. Ito na yan. Ito makita. Ay ko. So, ganyan na lang guys. Ganda naman. So, this is my final look. Kahit ginag-curl yung iba, okay na yan. Ito talaga yung nag-curl. Ito lang. Yan. This is my final look. This is my final look. And that's it. Bye-bye.